I want to show you mini onion dosas. I'm using raw rice and Avalakki, the beaten rice, some sour curds and some methi seeds. First I will be washing the rice and soaking it. Where I want the rice to be washed thrice. Next step is again I'll wash poha. I will now soak the methi seeds, the fenugreek seeds, and for this washed beaten rice I shall add some sour curds. Here it again depends on the temperature outside. If it is summertime, definitely not to use sour curd. If it is winter, rainy season, you can use sour curds. I will soak this for 4 hours and then grind it to a paste. After soaking it for 4 hours, I have drained the water and adding the yogurt and the beaten rice mixture. I'll mix these two. I would just grind methi seeds first and then add this mixture and make it to a fine paste. The batter is ready. It is smooth and fine. I will sprinkle some salt and allow this to ferment for at least 8 hours. The batter is well fermented. It's fluffy and nice, and I have this pan to make the mini onion dosas. While the pan is getting heated, I have chopped the onions. To that I'm going to add the green chillies, ginger finely chopped, coriander finely chopped, and some salt to taste. I'll mix this well. Now the pan is hot. On this I will sprinkle the mixed onions. On this I shall sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds. And here goes some oil. Now you can see the caramelized texture of the onions. That is because I didn't add the onions to the batter. I sprinkled it over while making it. This gives altogether a different taste than taking it and adding it into the batter. Mini onion dosas ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.